If you want to know the reason behind your hiccups, watch the video till the end. Diaphragm spasming causes your vocal cord to snap shut phenomenon. It's not completely clear what may causes temporary hiccups. Hiccups may be due to having too much stuff in your stomach, such as food, air, or bacon. It may be sudden changes in temperature. It may be stress or excitement. Chronic or frequently repeated episodes of hiccups are a different story. This can be a sign that something like a mass or inflammation is irritating your diaphragm or the nerves that control and extend to your diaphragm. Certain medications or serious medical conditions such as diabetes, kidney failure, and encephalitis can lead to hiccup as well. Therefore, if hiccups continue to be an issue, call your doctor. Thanks for watching.